A very good morning, class 10th students. Globalization and Indian economy is the chapter which we are doing. And today, on 21st of July, I am again continuing with the chapter with the new video. And today's video focuses on arguments against globalization. Yesterday, I told you there why globalization was preferred, why people like globalization, why globalization is supported. Today, I am telling you why globalization is opposed. If there is support, there is oppose also. So, let's check some of the points that are against globalization, why globalization is not considered good by a group of people or a group of intellectuals. Okay, I hope you are understanding the chapter very easily. We did globalization, we did the forces behind globalization, we did the arguments in the favor of globalization, and today's topic is arguments against globalization. Let's check the first point. Globalization is opposed because it creates inequality. Very good, it's a good point. कहीं पे भी कंपनी लगने से किसी भी कंट्री में इन्वेस्टमेंट होने से ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ़ायदा रिच को होता है. रिच पीपल आर बिकमिंग रिचर एंड रिचर. सपोज रिलायंस इज इन्वेस्टिंग इन इंडिया, रिलायंस इज इन्वेस्टिंग इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, रिलायंस इज इन्वेस्टिंग इन श्रीलंका. सो रिलायंस is becoming rich and rich as compared to the local public, and that country the most of the profit is going to Reliance. So it is creating inequality. Public is not becoming so much rich. Public is getting jobs, it is getting money, but the profit is mainly owned by the corporates. So rich people are becoming more and more richer. This is the first negative points against ग्लोबलाइजेशन. सब ऑफ द पीपल से दैट ग्लोबलाइजेशन से कहीं भी बैलेंस ऑफ वेल्थ नहीं है. ग्लोबलाइजेशन ऐसा नहीं है कि अमीर और गरीब को बराबर करना चाहता है, गरीबों को भी इतना पैसा दे रहा है कि ये तो फेवर कर रहा है अमीरों को. कॉरपोरेट्स आर बिकमिंग, कैपिटलिस्ट आर बिकमिंग मोर एंड मोर रिच. सेकेंड, large companies or capitalists invest in poor nations or countries and become more rich by exploiting the cheap labor. Suppose big companies are investing in India. In India, the labor is cheap and resources are widely appreciable because a lot of places in India like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, we have natural resources. I will be teaching you the natural resources chapter also in geography. Natural resources are there. These natural resources are very good. Like what are natural resources? Like water, mountains, hills, forest. These are good for companies to set up their plants. They are setting it, and the people there are needy. So according to the international standard, they are not paying. They are only paying minimum salary. Minimum salary is being paid to the laborers. Like in India, you say that laborers are getting 5,000, 6,000, 8,000. But in the world, they get this per day. So globalization has made the capitalist or the big companies exploit the poor nations by using their cheap labor and resources. They have nothing to do. They are basically investing to get more and more profit. Third, ग्लोबलाइजेशन हैज़ नो स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर रिडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वेल्थ. भाई मैं पहले भी कह रहा था फर्स्ट पॉइंट में, रिच इज बिकमिंग रिच एंड पुअर इज बिकमिंग पुअर. ग्लोबलाइजेशन से कहीं कोई ये तो अब पता नहीं चला कि रिच कैसे पुअर कैसे रिच के बराबर आएगा, या रिच कोई ऐसा पैसा दे जो पुअर को काफ़ी हेल्प करे. ऐसा कोई प्लान, ऐसा कोई स्ट्रैटेजी इज़ नॉट देयर इन ग्लोबलाइजेशन. ग्लोबलाइजेशन इज ओनली फोकसेस ऑन इन्वेस्टिंग, getting the money in poor countries. That money is going to poor people or not, poor people are using that money or not, that has nothing to do with globalization. So globalization is not having that plan or that strategy for redistribution. Of redistribution means dividing the wealth into equal parts so that rich people get the wealth. Another major problem that is occurring due to is pollution and destruction. भाई if in Uttarakhand lot of factories come, there will be a level of pollution that will increase. Look at the level of pollution in Rudrapur. Due to Sidgul, the pollution level is very high as compared to the hills. If we move to the hills, Nainital, the pollution is less because the companies are here, the factories are here, so the population is here. They are using the resources, they are destroying the forests, they are creating a lot of pollution. The smoke from the factory, the toxic from the factory, that is all is coming. So all these things are destructing or making the natural resources very unfruitful. भाई अगर कंपनियां लगेंगी, फैक्ट्रियां लगेंगी, तो पोल्यूशन तो बढ़ेगा ही, स्मोक बढ़ेगा, वेस्ट मटेरियल बढ़ेगा, टॉक्सिक बढ़ेगा और पानी का लेवल खराब होगा, वाटर कंटामिनेट हो गया, एयर कंटामिनेट हो गई. So all these things are very dangerous also, and these are happening because of globalization. Move to Noida, move to Gurgaon where there are lot of factories. Look at the air. The air level is very bad. The air index has a lot of pollution. The water is unfit to drink. Shortage of water, shortage of resources bhi hoga. When the population will move, there will be shortage of resources also. So pollution is also a threat to local culture and tradition. And the last and the most important point, that if globalization is coming, if the American companies, the British companies, the Australian companies are there, they will spread their culture. Now we are having pizzas, burgers, chow meins and all. This is not our country's culture. We are forgetting our culture. We are now going to discos, we are wearing short clothes and all. These are not our culture. So with the globalization, the foreign culture is also spreading in India or in the countries. That is a threat to local culture and tradition. We are celebrating Valentine's Day, we are celebrating these day, Father's Day, Mother's Day. This was not all culture. This is all foreign culture that we are doing. So somewhere, some people think that these things are negative in favor of globalization, and globalization, with the spread of globalization, these things are also coming. Any point which is not understood by you, you can ask. Now we will in the next video move to impact, good and bad impact of globalization in India. It will be like same, जो वर्ल्ड पे होगा वही इंडिया पे भी होगा. So we are going to discuss that. Okay, it's goodbye for now.